Hello everybody and welcome back to another Google Training with Matt. Today we're going to explore Google Sites. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I am in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to New. I'm going to drop down to More. Then I'm going to go over and down to select Google Sites. The first thing I want to do when my page loads is name my site. Up here at the top, it says Untitled Site. This is where I'm going to click on and type Matt's Tutorials. Once I name my site, I'm going to name my first page. This is my home page, and I'm going to click the title for your page here. The title for my page is going to be Level 1 Google Tutorials. With the title, you can pull and stretch by dragging the handles and making it longer so that it fits on one line. You can go to the title and you can drop down to heading to make it smaller, subheading, or even small text. I'm going to go back and I'm going to again choose title. I can make it centered. I can even make it a link. Next, let's go ahead and explore themes. Let's go ahead and choose themes. I can click on the different themes to see what they do. Under the themes, I can change the color. I can also change the font style. Next, I want to go over to the picture. Maybe I want to change the image. I can click on Change Image. I can either upload or select an image. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose Select Image. This is the Google Gallery. I can slide down and choose what I like. And then hit Select. Let's review that again. I'm going to change the image, select the image. I can add other pictures by the URL. I can search Google for pictures. I can choose My Albums or pictures from my Google Drive. Let's go ahead and add some text. Let's go to Insert. There are some pre-made layouts that I can choose from. Pictures and text, picture with pictures with text underneath, all pictures, 4 pictures in a row. If you don't like any of those layouts, you can make your own layout by going over into your page and clicking one time. Once you double tap, you can see that you can add images, you can upload pictures, you can add things from Drive, you can embed things, and you can also add text. Let's go ahead and add text. When I click on Add Text, it gives me a text box. In this text box, I'm going to type, use these video tutorials to pass the Level 1 Google exam. Once you type in your sentence, again, you can use the box above to change the text, aligning the text, and you can even use a link. On the side, you can go to the color palette. Regular, emphasis number 1, 2, or image. You can even upload your own image or select an image that you have on your computer. Let's go back to choose regular. I can duplicate the section or I can get rid of it. Let's go ahead below the sentence and double tap again. Let's go ahead and find a picture. Let's go to Images. Under Images, I can add pictures by URL. I can search, choose Your Albums, or add pictures from my Google Drive. Let's go ahead and search. I'm going to search for a Google picture. I can slide down to choose what I want, or I can pick one and say Select. Once the picture loads, you can see how large it is. I can make it smaller by pulling at the handles and shrinking it down. Once I shrink it down, it looks like it's cropped. To uncrop what I've just done, I can choose this button here. It's going to make it fit in that window. I can move it around to make it into the middle. You can notice that I can also use it as a link, or I can get rid of it. The 3 dots even have more, but I can replace the image or add a caption. This is my home page of my site. Let's go ahead and add more pages. I'm going to go to Pages. Maybe on my site, I want a page for each one of my tutorials. One for Google Docs, one for calendars, one for Google Sheets, all of the tutorials that I have done so far. Let's go ahead and add a page by hitting the plus sign, and let's call this Google Sheets. Now I'm going to choose Done. Once my page is loaded, you can see the home page is here. Beside it is a link to Google Sheets. This is my new Google Sheets page. Maybe I want to add some text. Let's go to Insert. Let's go ahead and add pictures with maybe sentences underneath it. Let's choose this layout. Let's go ahead and add some YouTube videos that I've done in Google Sheets. I'm going to hit the plus sign. And what I want to do is I want to go to YouTube. I'm going to go to my uploaded pictures, but you can also do a YouTube video search here. Under Uploaded, I can see all of my recent uploaded pictures to YouTube. Let's choose Google Sheets Part 1 first. Click it and select. Let's go to the other plus sign and choose another video. Let's choose the plus sign, choose YouTube, and again, you can do a video search, or you can choose Uploaded. Let's add Google Sheets Part 2 Training and select. Underneath it, let's add some text. If you need to get rid of a text box, click it and then choose the trash can. Click it and choose the trash can. Now I have my second page set up. This is my Google Sheets page. You can watch both videos here on this page. Let's pretend that I have all of my pages done now. I have a page for Google Docs, Google Calendars, YouTube, all of the videos that I've done this summer. Let's go ahead and add one more page. Plus sign. And let's call this page Google Quiz. At the end, I'm going to make my users take a quiz. Now I'll choose Done. Now I have 3 links at the top of my page: Home, Google Sheets, and now a Google Quiz. Let's go ahead and add a quiz that I've done in Google Forms. I'm going to double tap. I'm going to go from Drive. This opens up a page on the side. I've done a Google form recently, so I'm going to go under Recent. Here's my sample Google quiz. I will click it and then say Insert. This is going to insert that form right into my Google site. I can make it larger by pulling at the handles. Now my Google quiz is right on my site under the page marked Google Quiz. Let's take another look at the pages. Right now my pages are right across the top of my page. If I want each of my pages to be under the home page, I can click and hold and drag it up and put it underneath the home page. Let's do that one more time. Click and hold and drag it underneath the home page. Now I just have one link at the top under Home, but I have these 2 pages that I can go to: Google Sheets, under Home, and Google Quiz. This is called nesting. All of my links are under the home page. If I don't like that, I can drag them back out. Let's go back to my home page. Now let's go ahead and see what my users will look like when they click on my page. This is the preview button. This is what my page would look like on the web. Home, choosing Google Sheets. Under Home, choosing Google Quiz. Let's go back on my home page once again. One last thing that I can do is I can publish now so people can see my site. I'm going to choose Publish. At the top, it gives me a name, Matt's Tutorials. I can change that, or I can leave it the same. This is going to be at the end of the sites.google.com. Below that, it says who can view my site. Right now, it says anyone in the district can see it. I want everybody on the web to see it. I'm going to choose Manage. I'm going to go to Change. And I want everybody to find my site. I'm going to choose Anyone can find and view the published version and click Save. And done. Last thing that I can do is choose Publish, and it's going to publish my website so anybody can find it. I hope this video helps you to create your own Google site. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll talk to you again next week. Thanks again.